Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to build an English to Spanish translation app using Gradio, Groq, and ChatGPT, all in just a few minutes. First, I opened ChatGPT and asked it to generate the files I need to create this app. I said, I want to make an app that translates English to Spanish using Gradio and Groq. For this purpose, give me two files, app.py and requirements.txt. I will deploy this on Hugging Face ChatGPT responded with the code, but at first it used OpenAI instead of Groq. So I corrected it and asked ChatGPT again, use Groq instead of OpenAI. And this time, it gave me the correct code. Since the code requires a Groq API key, I went to the Groq website and created a new API key. After copying the key, I saved it temporarily in Notepad. Next, I opened Hugging Face. I clicked on the profile icon, then on New Space. I entered a name, something like English to Spanish, added a short description, selected the MIT license, and chose Gradio as the SDK. Then, I picked the visibility option and clicked Create New Space. Inside the space, I created a new file named exactly app.py and pasted the code that ChatGPT gave me. I also made sure to add the Groq API key to the code. Then, I created another file called requirements.txt and pasted in the required packages. The app started building. And then it launched. Now, let's open the app. This is your live translator from English to Spanish. built in minutes. Let's test it. Perfect. The app works just as expected. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials.